So yeah, workshop review time. I'm really satisfied with the keyboard and also the workshop in general. It felt really relaxing. It's like just coming back home after a great meditation session or a great massage. Yeah, I really recommend the workshop if you're a total newbie like me. And if you would like to know more about the workshop or you'd like to visit the Click N Brew Cafe just to chill and relax, I'll link their website and their location in the description box below. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the workshop comes with a mousepad as well. So yeah, before I end the video, I will just do a few sound tests for the keyboard that I just got back from the workshop from.